at Milwaukee Pipeline 2024. Just kind of quiet here a second. I'm going to just take everybody on a quick tour. Take a walk through. I'll just give you probably about 10 minutes to just go through and get a quick look at everything. So I'm going to be releasing several different videos here coming up. Let's see, let me switch this direction right here. All right, so we'll start over here. This is the outdoor power equipment. This is the new Milwaukee dual battery chainsaw right here. I'm gonna try and walk right a little quieter. Hey Vince, thanks for stopping by. You doing well? You're doing good there? So yeah, this is what they have going on. It's a little quieter over here now. So they have some new hedge trimmers, 24 and 30 inch. They have this sweeper right here that can go on either one. Oh, would it be possible to see when I'm going live? To
Absolutely.
See, so these are
live demo. Yeah. So
yeah,
these are 3/4 inch dowels, and if you want to see the performance from the Milwaukee one and the gas one, or I can just show you the Milwaukee one.
Just one of the Milwaukee ones. Yeah,
Absolutely.
going through that.
No problem.
So these are rated for going through 1 inch.
1 1/4.
Oh, 1 1/4. Okay.
Yep. So we have two models, 24 inch and 30 inch. The 24 inch is very similar. It's the same size as our old generation, and the
Okay.
30 inch is brand new.
Okay.
Both of them are new models. It is just an improvement. All right.
I have a leather leaf by Burnham that has some pretty thick stuff like this. I was thinking that'd be perfect for that.
Yeah. No, absolutely.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
All right. We'll go through the rest of the outdoor power equipment out here. Hey, Bill Hamilton. Good to see you. Anthony, thanks for stopping in. You doing well? So let's see.
The tighter the gap.
Yeah, this is a short pole hedge trimmer. This is new, so it's dedicated for some of those quick, repetitive cuts. They have some different M18 fuel pole articulating extended reach hedge trimmers.
Okay, maybe a smaller tooth, smaller blade gap, higher SPM, which running quicker. We're scoring that on a
Yeah, so I did some work in here with that short pole hedge trimmer. Really liking that. There's a brush blade right there. So a lot of these attachments here they had at the Prep Expo, but they do have some new advancements in their power unit, the quick lock unit. I'm going to walk over there in a second.
So it's kind of it's good for grass trimming as well as hedge work.
So Vince, I know you reviewed this one.
Yeah.
I finally had a chance to try it today. It's pretty slick.
So that shows you how much more performance you get even on your existing
Hey,
attachment.
Ricky Spinhouse, thank you for stopping
And then
in.
it also
Good to
gives
see
us
you.
a lot of capability to do new future exciting attachments that are coming out.
Check it out, this quick lock attachment system.
Perfect. Dialed in, man. Got it. How we doing, Mark?
Good, Bradley. I'm going live, so I have some extensive coverage of this already, but
Yeah.
so this is which is the original one? What's the new one?
Yeah, so this is the one that's in the market today, our current generation powerhead. And then this is our next generation powerhead, redesigned completely from the ground up. So a more powerful motor, better advanced air cooling system, and then cutting edge electronics to take advantage of everything that Ford's batteries have to offer.
Okay. Yeah, I've got a full length video on that, the details. So just want to get a quick 30 seconds from each area.
Awesome.
So yeah, thank
Sounds
you.
good. Sure thing.
We'll be tuning in with you.
Yep.
All right, here's this is pretty interesting right here. There's a cutout of the two different ones right here. I'll explain that in my video.
That really easy. Not as much of an issue with it.
All right, we're gonna go over see, probably over to the concrete area. Yeah, hey Sam. Vince, he's not here. I'm not sure what he's got going on today. But yeah, I hung out with him a couple years ago. Had a good time. Yeah, he's not here.
So in terms of the business.
Can you guys hear me okay? Just curious. Oh, hey Jeremy. Good to see you. Thanks for stopping in. So yeah, I was going to try to go live with the horizontal long form, but it just seemed to work better going vertical. So hopefully that works out for you guys. All right, we're gonna walk. It's kind of loud. We're gonna walk through some noise here for a minute. That's 18-inch diameter wood. So that's a gas competitor unit, 70cc equivalent with the Milwaukee.
I didn't hear that that battery unblocking down.
Yeah, it's impressive. All right, we're gonna walk over here. They have something new with their pressure sprayers, their switch tanks, new design. I did review these a couple years ago, but I don't have the information on it yet. I'm gonna come back over here and get more for some videos later. Yeah, Jeremy, I'm doing good. It's nice and sunny. It's only like 72 here today, so it's like ideal for being outside. I feel like I'm starting to lose my voice a little bit. Been doing a lot of talking the last couple days. So yeah, we're in the, okay, so here's the Diamond Blade area. I did have a chance to check this out. So it's kind of interesting. They're getting into some, if you're into concrete blades, I have a whole video that'll be coming out on that. So they have fire and rescue, multi-material, ductile, ironwork, asphalt, and green concrete. So everything made to run in their battery-powered cells.
So far away from what I do.
All of the user interface is right up on the handlebar. All you have to do is arm the tool without having to let go of the tool. That's incredibly important to our users.
Yeah, one thing, hey Jeremy, I saw you saying you mowed your lawn. I wasn't sure if I'd seen any advancements with their mower. I don't know that they need a Gen 2 version yet, but there was one thing I was just curious if I would see anything like that, but no, there is nothing here with lawn mowing. So everybody's really pretty happy with that original version, the Gen 1. Let's check out some more of the concrete stuff. Jumping jack, the rammer.
So what you just saw there was our auto shut-off mechanism. This tool will automatically detect if it's been tipped, and it'll shut off, providing a much safer experience for that user or operator, especially when they're in confined spaces like down in trenches. Yeah, thanks man, good to see you.
Well, like out of frame and then do like a close-up of the tool and then where it's jackhammer and then come back.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm in pretty good.
All right, I haven't checked this jackhammer out yet. Pump right here I was able to cover at World of Concrete, so I do have some short form videos on that, or actually part of my long form as well too. We're gonna go inside. All right, so here is I'll just give you a pan through and then we'll just kind of walk through real quick. So I'll probably just be on for about another 10 minutes or so, unless anybody has any specific questions. See, Jeremy, Milwaukee coming out with a wood chipper. Haven't seen anybody that has a battery-powered wood chipper yet. That would be pretty interesting. Probably wouldn't, I imagine, really go through the batteries to be able to draw a lot of power, I'm sure. Possibly on their bigger platform, the MX, or possibly that. So I'm not sure there's, yeah, just haven't seen anybody else do that yet. So I haven't walked through here yet. So this is, a lot of this section over here is kind of new to me. I'm gonna come back over here, do some recording after a little bit. There's a lot of the PPE with the bolt set up right there. Now this I have not seen or heard anybody talk about yet. Link, audio link. Hi, good. My name's Mark. I'm going live right now.
Nice.
I'm gonna come back over here and get some more explanation. But this is
Yeah, we got two new speakers. We got M18 and M12 speaker we can run you through.
Okay. So they're not like AM FM radio.
Nope, just Bluetooth speakers.
Okay. They would, yeah, okay.
We also have our new audio link feature, which they're sort of walking through right there. So that'll allow you to connect the speakers together, up to 200 of them. And you can do M18 to M18 or M12 to M18. So you can create a larger sounder experience.
Okay, so that's the M12, that's the M18.
Correct, yep.
Oh, nice. Huh.
Yeah, so we got 40 speakers connected there.
You can feel it.
Yeah.
There's some boom to it.
Yeah, our big thing was how do we increase sound performance on our audio products. So we really wanted to make sure our hardware was developed to sound good no matter what you like to listen to.
Yeah, nice. All right, I will be back.
Okay, sounds good.
Hey Aaron, I'll find out. So I talked to this guy here, the product manager last year. There's some, at the intro, they're talking about some advancements that they're looking at, some new cooling things. I'm probably going to have to come back and just make a video on that. So just stay tuned to my channel. I'll try to get something out pretty quick that explains that. Because yeah, the PPE is definitely something that I'll cover. Hi there.
Hi.
Could you explain some of the new things with this?
I could actually get you probably the PM on this one.
Okay, I'm going live. I'm going to come back and get a full-length video.
Sure,
So I was looking
I'll tell
for.
him.
Okay.
Look out for you.
All right. Going live right now. Is there anything right offhand that you can?
Yeah, so
Point
this
out
is the new product that we have. It's our gasketed face shield. So when you sprinkle any kind of debris, or you're using any kind of application that has sawdust, you're not going to have any fall through on our face with our face shield. But with competitors, right now when you sprinkle stuff and you see it, it'll all fall through on your face. So we were able to build our new advanced gasketed face shield that's going to help with that. But how can I explain it?
Okay.
You want to talk about?
Yeah, I'm going to come back. I'm going live. I just want to get a quick look at everything.
Yeah.
A quick summary, and then I'll
For sure.
get a full length when I come back.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Thanks. You were the one that dropped the stuff
I
last
did,
year. Yeah,
I did. Yeah,
all right.
thank you.
I remember you. Yeah, thanks.
Good to see you
You
again.
too. Supercharger. So there isn't any advanced fees. They have the same 12 amp hour and 8 amp hour battery. Yeah, these things are pretty massive. I never looked at one before. I haven't really been into this platform too much, but yeah, looks like you can get a lot of power, a lot of runtime with some of that stuff. Hey Jeremy, thank you. Give me a like on the live stream, appreciate it. What new batteries are they coming out with? So Timothy, they introduced with the Forge a new 8 amp hour and a new 12 amp hour Forge. And I'm not sure they, on the M12, I don't think they introduced anything new with that. So I'm seeing they're using a lot of the 8 amp hour Forge on quite a few of their power tools, like that dual battery chainsaw. It looks like a really popular battery that think we're gonna see people using that. It's kind of like a lot of power right in between the 6 and the 12.
It's like you have your basic pack. This is for one key. Yep.
Oh, and this is something new with the Packout. So they're making it so if you have a van or a trailer, it's a new system. I just heard a brief overview, but something where you don't have to build your own shelving. So you can see how that Packout is just made. So it'll save you time with the installation and organization. You see, you can step up here a minute. Yeah, it looks like it must lock. Yeah. So I'm not sure how you unlock it, but there's drawers that pull out. It's pretty cool. Let's keep walking around. Oh, how did the doors open?
Oh, you just lift up that silver part there.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Any
Yeah,
questions?
I am going to come back and get a long form, just walk around doing a live stream, like hitting a quick overview of each one and see if people have questions, and then, yeah.
Sure.
Yep, so I will be back. Thank you. Yeah, here's some more of the Packout stuff.
Pretty far up.
So this is new right here, the bin organizer.
This lock on the security bar, so these are not going to be going anywhere. So everything's going to stay in there and stay really organized. With Packout modularity, you'll be able to mount this to any of our mounting plates for a shop or transit environment, but you can also put it on top of your stack. So when you're rolling it into the job site, you've got it there.
Yeah, let's see if I can go over here and open one up so you can see how it works.
Packout product on top of it as well. Another really great thing about it is we've got the labeling windows on each bin. They'll come with cardstock, so you can customize it depending on what you want to store. So it's easy to identify everything you've got. Perfect.
Okay. Those slide up and down,
Yes.
and then those will pull out.
Yep.
Okay.
They can, if you just want to like work out of them, you can pull them out, but then yeah, they'll remove and you can take with them.
I was afraid when I opened that one, all the screws would go flying.
No, they shouldn't.
Okay.
That would be a problem.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. And they tilt a little bit so you have a little better access to it. Any idea what the price of this is?
It'd be $99.
Okay, and when is it launching?
January of next year.
Okay.
January 2025.
Okay. Okay. All right, cool. Thank you. I'll be back.
Of course.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Anthony. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, that'd help the video a little bit. Appreciate that. So this is something I haven't tried with the shelving yet, with some of the different Packouts. That's kind of handy. I might build my own out of plywood, considering doing that. Here's Charles, the humble mechanic.
Hey!
I'm going live. So you're VW mostly?
Yes.
Okay.
VW, Audi,
Okay.
same thing,
Yep.
I guess.
Yeah, so I met Charles through a Home Depot Prospective program in New York City like
That was a long
6 or
time
7 years ago.
That
Yep.
was a long time ago.
Yep. So he's the person to follow and find out about that.
What's the best thing you've shown everyone so far? These tracks are cool. The mounts look way nicer than the old ones.
Yeah. I used to have a enclosed cargo trailer, so having that whole system in there, that's, you don't have to build your own thing. It's pretty nice. I'm pretty excited about
cool.
that. Yep. I'll just make my way going live. So good seeing you.
enjoy.
All right. Oh, what's your channel?
Humble mechanic.
Okay.
Nice and
yeah,
easy.
just want to make sure everybody heard that. Yep. All right.
Appreciate it, man. Good.
Yep. You too. Yeah, he's a good guy. The PPE, I just walked by. I'm gonna still get some more information on this. Heated gear. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't see that. Just some new designs.
With this technology, we're actually having a brand new slew of next generation products. So,
Yeah, I'm not really thinking about this stuff right now because it's summertime, but wintertime, I really enjoy. It's really like wearing a vest with a hoodie. That's kind of my setup.
Yeah, you too.
Hi there. Hey Wesley.
Good to see ya.
You too. I'm just going live, getting like a 1 minute like at each one. But I'll come back and get some long form stuff.
Yeah.
So, what's new in a minute that you can tell me with the heated gear?
Yeah, so everything here in the heated gear booth is really centered around the next generation heat technology, which is Hexon. So we knew that we weren't going to be able to deliver that improved performance and all of the capabilities that we wanted to, iterating on some of the existing techs in the market. So we really developed our ground up technology focused on warmth for longer, fastest heat up time, as well as the greatest heat coverage. And this booth is really set up to kind of depict all of the ways that comes to life. And all of this in 2024 is also going to be coming through some of the new products that we have, evolved Axis jackets and vests for men and women, as well as the tough shell jackets and quiet shell. And then we have new power sources as well. So the M12 top off, that's going to ship with all jackets. And then we also have the heated gear power source with app control. So this is an accessory pack at $99, and this is the vehicle for Shin. So this connects the app to the pack as well as to the garment to be able to dynamically adapt, do things like select your runtime and make sure you deliver it. But the most important thing about Hexon is the staying warmer for longer aspect. So it's a dynamic technology that adapts and reads the environment constantly. Cold conditions, you're gonna be able to hit and hold that temperature through the whole discharge, no matter if the wind's whipping, whatever. You're gonna hit it and hold it and feel it. And then in warmer temperatures, you're gonna get an extended runtime, because it's not going to have to work as hard, and it knows that, and it's able to relax how much power it pulls.
Oh, that's smart. Wow. Are there two different sizes on this?
Yes. So this port has the traditional M12 heated gear port as well as the smaller one, and that is really primarily for the heated gear power source with app control. That's what allows that communication with Bluetooth, and it gives you that control in the app. So on the M12 top off and on the M12 battery holder, those are essentially just for the interface and the design.
Okay, well, great. I'm going to come back and get a little more with my other camera.
Awesome.
So thank you very much.
Mark.
Yep, you too. All right, so Clint, let's see, I got to see this comment. Please, thanks for bringing us together. Oh yeah, thanks. Appreciate you smashing that like button. This is, everything here is very nice like. All right, so let's see. I'm going live. Is there something new with the tape measures?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I was wondering if you could give me a 1 minute recap.
You want a 1 minute recap,
yeah,
like 30,000 feet?
And then I'm going to come back with my other camera.
We'll just do a 30,000, 60-second one.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Isaiah Garcia. I'm a product manager over at Tape Measures. I'm excited to announce a whole next generation of tape measures. We've literally touched every single one of these tape measures to improve and innovate on each tape measure. So starting with our stud tape measure, this is going to be our new stud 25 per tape measure, ensuring that it's the most durable tape measure on the market. We're still going to have our EXO 360 coating. We're still going to have our ultra durable housing, but some of the improvements with our interactive demos are going to show the new durability working in these type of environments where dirt, debris, and blades need to be rigid in these environments.
Yeah.
Jump into our
so then you have an engineer's one too.
Then you have an engineer's scale for utility, roadside construction, those type of environments. Jump into our wide blade tape measure. This is going to be the tape measure when you encounter long materials and long measurements on a job site, improving this by a whole new foot of reach, 18 feet of reach and 15 feet of stand out.
And that one's going to be more curved, the blade
a little bit more curved, but it's going to be wider than current generation as well too. So it makes the numbers a little bit easier, but the curvature does not affect the reading of it at all.
Okay.
Jumping next to, we also have a magnetic option to our wide blade.
Yeah, which one is your most popular?
It's going to be either one of these two for the depending on the wide blade, or wide blade tape measure, correct. As of today, but going forward, we're going to see a lot more
magnetic.
Correct. So this is going to be for smaller measurements. Our magnetic tape measure is not going to be as wide as our wide blade, but what's really key about this is going to be straighter and stiffer blade within 10 feet. We know electricians working in the commercial space are getting conduit up to 10 feet. Plumbers getting black cast iron up to 10 feet. So that 10-foot measurement is going to be key for it to be straight and stiff, as you see in that demo right in a nutshell.
Yeah, it's the Milwaukee one on the left. I don't know if you guys can hear me okay or not. We're just kind of got a few more, probably another 5 minutes worth. All right, well, thank you. I will be back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Looking forward to it.
All right, here is something I just checked out. This is the new roofing nailer. So last year, Sean Kelly here, the product manager, I asked them if they're coming out with a new framing, or I'm sorry, new coiled roofing nailer. You know, smile on his face and just said, "Yeah, we're considering all options." And his face kind of gave away that they're going to have one this year. So yeah, I have some video footage on that coil roofing nailer. It's very nice. And then also does siding too. There's an adapter. It's a duplex nailer. And one of the things that's kind of interesting, I found out, if you have the duplex nailer, you do have to use these proprietary nails right here from Milwaukee. So you can't just go to Home Depot and buy a different brand. You have to buy the Milwaukee ones with that one. The roofing nail is a different story. Those will run any nails. Hi there. I'm going live and just doing a quick walkthrough of everything. So this section is talking about the cooling power.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So why don't you give me like 1 minute, and then I'll come back with my other camera and get longer content.
Okay, sounds good. So this year we're excited to announce that we have the Cool Cycle technology on the M18 system. Previously we had this launched on the MX system last year. But we're excited that now, alongside the new Forge 8 and 12, you're able to be Cool Cycle capable with the dual bay simultaneous supercharger. What that means is less downtime throughout your day. You're able to put a warm pack off a hot application onto the charger. It's going to immediately start cooling and charging that pack at a much quicker rate than we've been able to accomplish on previous chargers.
So the batteries have, on the new 8 and the 12 amp hour, they have more like vents in them?
Yep. So you'll see here, they're Cool Cycle capable. Any products that we come out with will have this little icon here, as well as on the charger. So you'll notice some venting here, as well as on the back here. And then on the charger, there's fans on the bottom that pull air through and push it into the pack to cool it as it's charging it.
Okay. So this is the same rapid charger that you had last year, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So we had already implemented this Cool Cycle technology into this supercharger last year, knowing that we were going to come out with these packs this year and have that Cool Cycle capability.
Okay. I'm gonna put you on the spot. Is the warranty the same then? Like, is it a 3-year warranty on the batteries?
Yep.
So now with all your batteries, are they the same?
Yes. Yep. Everything should be the same.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So I know, like on some tools, they could be like 5-year or less.
Yeah,
the batteries
all
are
just depends.
consistent.
Yeah, we're pretty consistent there. As well as we're implementing more technology as we're adding venting in. It's exposing the battery a little bit more. So we've actually implemented some really great patented ingress coating on our entire internal core and electronics to make sure, even though we're exposing it a little bit more, it's still protected.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are tabless cells. Is this?
Yes.
Can you explain it in maybe about 30 seconds to a minute, or is that?
I feel as though this is just as time to shine. Yes.
So the tablet cell, is it called tablet cell?
Yes.
Okay. I was wondering, like, if you could explain how that works in about a minute. The advantages of going with that,
Sure.
and what the other batteries were like before that.
Yes, so the actual expert, so I'm an expert on the longest life piece, but if you want to talk to an expert on the cell piece, that's going to be Zafiri. Let me bring him over.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right, I was talking to Zafir last night. I'll just give him a second to finish wrapping up. Hey, Mortgage Maintenance, hey, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Jeremy, I saw your comment wondering about the wood chipper, the 12-inch Bandit Intimidator. I rented a Bandit, but I think it was a 10-inch size. Yeah, hi there.
Yeah, Mark.
So, I'm just going live. I was wondering if you could explain the advantages with the tablet cell.
Yeah. So,
in about a minute.
Yeah, to break it down.
Can it be explained in a minute?
I think so.
Okay.
So let me know when you're ready to jump into it.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Okay. So the tablet cells are going to be able to deliver additional power that our original 21700 cells weren't able to keep up with. That kind of power, lower resistance, better thermal performance. But it isn't just the cell. It was the upgrades to the power routing that we made. So the straps, the electronics, the terminals, all had to be lower resistance to be able to handle the kind of current that those tablet cells are going to deliver. So it's the tablet cells, the power routing, and then one of the things that Andrew called up on stage was the laser welding. The ability to use this new manufacturing process, lower the resistance of the connection of the cells to the power routing, which means lower resistance, better thermals, which means higher power, more runtime. So it's a combination of tabless cells, power routing, laser welding. All those three together are able to deliver 50% more power for the forged batteries over high output.
You get more cooling, or when the battery's running cooler, does that affect the performance?
Yes. Yeah. So the cooler the batteries are, the better, the more runtime you're going to get, and also the better performance you're going to get before it overheats and shuts down. So this, in terms of the thermal performance of the pack, is significantly improved. We're 35% cooler than our four high output 8.0 and high output 12.0 batteries, respectively. Then you pair it with a dual base supercharger to get that full cycle technology, and you're pretty much eliminating or minimizing that downtime on the charger. So you're spending less time waiting for it to cool, more time charging and on the job.
But I'm not sure this has a charge time. So on the 12 amp hour, the new 12 amp hour Forge, okay, yeah, with the supercharger, so you can get 35 minutes.
Yeah, so with the Forge 12.0 Forge XE80, both batteries are now able to charge at the same speed. So even though the 12.0 is 4 amp hours more, you get 35 minutes supercharged to 80%, 45 minutes to 100%. Okay. That's 25% faster than the high output HD 12.0 battery is today. So the ability that we can charge this battery as fast as 8, that's pretty impressive. But the dual base supercharger will still charge our high output batteries up to 4x faster, our red lithium batteries up to 2x faster. So it benefits all our batteries.
Well, great. Well, thank you. I'm making my round, about a minute at each one.
Yeah,
so
perfect.
I will be back with my other camera to get
quick
some
hits.
Yep, thank you. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, this trying to capture some content over here. This is our new circular saw. This was something they let us take a look at last year, but we weren't able to talk about it. This is the new power of this motor right here, paired up with the new Forge 12 amp hour battery. This 738 circular saw right here. I mean, that thing just rips through stuff. Pretty amazing.
One of our current high output 12-volt batteries. This thing's still going to be like 30% more powerful than our current. So you still get a benefit. So like a new Forge 8.0 will give you more power than what we could get with the prior gen, and then when you put a 12 on, it just absolutely takes it to a different level.
Yep, I'm going to come back to that. We have just this section right here, then we will wrap it up, and then I'll work on some of my other things. Let's see. Hi. This is hi, good. How are you?
Good, good, doing well.
So this is your new angle grinder?
Correct. We're showing off our brand new M18 Fuel 6-inch angle grinder family. So it's our second generation of this product, but what we wanted to do with this one is increase the performance, increase the productivity, but also give you more control. So you can push the tool harder and longer with the brand new motor electronics. You get added productivity with red lithium Forge batteries, so we paired this with the brand new 8.0 that we talked about earlier. And then enhance the control with faster rapid stop braking, so once you take your hand off the trigger, the tool stops, the accessory stops in less than 2 seconds. And then there's also a variable speed plus 1 key model. So if you want variable speed for working in more delicate materials or things like stainless steel, you can slow it down. And then 1 key gives you tracking management capabilities.
Okay. So what's the demonstration that you have?
So we're showing off just a basic grinding application to show kind of the power and really just throwing some sparks. Okay. And then we also have a head-to-head of the original generation tool with high output 8.0 and then the new tool with the Forge battery. So I can set up and do the head-to-head for you, so you can cut with the first one and then show you the second one.
Okay. And that is the Gen 1?
The current gen with the high output 8.0, and then again with 10 pounds strapped to the back, so quite a heavy weight. Now you'll see how.
Let's check out the new one here.
It's able to get through it faster and smoother thanks to the added power that the new tool has along with the Forge
Cool. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks,
All
Mark.
right.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh yeah, I heard these stubby impacts right here, pretty amazing. Yeah, 250 foot-pounds, let's see, 550 foot-pounds, which is amazing.
To be designed with the high output battery.
I think it's light.
Whatever technology will to come out in the future on the M12 line. But
Yeah,
the
so-
big thing
and
we
that
did here
M12
was
as
we
well, too.
increased the mass of the mechanism.
Yeah, I'll be getting some footage on that.
It's obviously
Thank you.
Like 550 pounds of not busting close. Yeah, there's some automotive stuff. I didn't get through this too much yet. The inspection camera. Here's some automotive sanders. They didn't have these. This is something brand new as well.
It may just be space.
This was just announced probably a couple weeks ago. Their new light right here, this magnet mount. I think looks pretty awesome. A lot of times, garages are always so dark. They have that nice light underneath the vehicle. Wonder. Oh yeah, here's let's turn it on a minute. Our diamond blade hole saws. Get a lot of the plumbing and mechanical items. It's not really my specialty, but I definitely want to find out information on it. Grain inspection. Got some crimping tools. So this was announced probably 2-3 months ago. There's chain hoist. Man, look at all that weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 45-pound plates. That's impressive. See, here's some of their hammer drill bits right here. All right, so I think I have made. All right. All right, friends. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down below. I'll try to finish covering some things while I'm here yet. I think we have another, let's see what is, probably another little hour and 15 minutes. So I'm gonna make my rounds with my other camera and upload some things to YouTube. So that's it for now, friends. Appreciate you all stopping by, tuning in, leaving some comments. We'll catch you soon.